Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Trading Basics. So what you're gonna do is today we're gonna learn how you can change currency on Etoro. So what you're gonna do is just go to your Etoro guys and log in with your account. Then over here on the left hand side just scroll down and you'll be having the option which says settings. Just go on it and then just go to this general option first, and now on your right it says display currency. So now it is US dollar, so you can change over here by clicking on it, and you can change it to Australian dollar, euro, pound sterling, and anything. And when you just choose Australian dollar, so that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys, so thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us, and also comment for more reviews and more contents like this. See you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys, thank you for watching.